Install this free app, let it mine in the background, and then collect your earnings. It's as easy as that. Through the use of these apps here, you can get paid again and again in Bitcoin with no limit whatsoever. For as long as you need Bitcoin, these apps will earn it for you. With that said, even though this does sound simple, and it somewhat is, there are things that you must know before installing these apps, otherwise this won't work out for you. So you really want to keep watching so you know exactly what you need to do, and because I will give you free tips to earn even more Bitcoin, as well as a huge bonus that you will see near the end of this tutorial. Now, even though this is a legit way to earn some cryptocurrency online and it will work out for you, it's not a strategy for a sustainable long-term income. So if that's what you're interested in, then be sure to check out the first link down in the description. There, you'll learn how I started making money online myself, how you can do the same, and in passive income as well. And with all of that said and done, let's get right into this tutorial. As I said before, I have many different apps to share with you today, and they're all legit, all work well, and more importantly, by combining all of them, you'll be able to maximize your results and earn as much money as is possible. The first app I have for you guys is this one right here called Free Bitcoin. I'm now over at their official website, freebitcoinapp.net. As you can see on the homepage almost instantly, this will get you free Bitcoin in return for you completing some offers. You can see more details about what you will be doing by clicking on how it works right up here. As you'll be able to see on the following page, this works basically as follows. You complete tasks, you get paid in app credits when you do so, and then you exchange the app credits for Bitcoin, as simple as that. As far as on what devices this app works, it unfortunately does not work for iOS, it seems, only for Android. But as you will soon see, they compensate that downside with some big upsides. Regarding what you will be doing to get paid in Bitcoin, you can see that you can watch videos, play games, complete surveys, and more. So they offer quite a few methods for you to get paid, which is quite awesome. As most of you know, I highly recommend watching videos and playing games. The latter is more fun than anything else, basically. Meanwhile, the former doesn't require much of your attention. You can just leave the video playing in the background, go do something else, and then when the video is finished playing, collect your earnings. Now, with that said, some of you might prefer completing surveys to the other options for earning money on this app, since not everyone shares my opinion, obviously. So you can try and complete a few surveys and see if you like them or not. It certainly won't do you any harm. Last thing that is noteworthy on this page is that you will get paid in Bitcoin within just 3 days, which is most definitely a lot faster than what you could expect on other similar apps. So that's definitely a nice addition. Something else that is a really nice addition are the reviews of this app. I always want to show you guys the reviews because make money apps are not real most of the time, unfortunately. And because of that, I want to show you the reviews so you know that this will not waste your time and will actually reward you in Bitcoin. And as you can see on the Google Play Store, the aforementioned app has a rating of 4.5 stars with over 80,000 reviews. So not only does it have a good rating, but it's from a lot of people, proving beyond any doubt that this is a legit app indeed. The next app I have for you is called Feature Points, and I'm now over at their official website, featurepoints.com. This app, in comparison to the free Bitcoin app, is a bit more diverse, so to speak. On here, you can do a variety of tasks to get paid, but unlike the previous app, you can get paid through other means, so not just Bitcoin. What is also different from this app as well is the fact that this one will work on any phone you have, so both iOS and Android. I think most of you will appreciate this feature. So for those of you who don't have an Android phone, this is indeed the app for you. What exactly you can do in order to get paid, you can see here. You can win contests to earn points, you can complete surveys, earn cash back, you can download and try out apps, and lastly, you can share the app with other people in order to get paid. So they do offer quite a few options for you to choose from as far as tasks goes. Out of all of these, downloading and sharing the app with other people is what I'd recommend. Albeit, it's worth noting that the app does offer good surveys, so chances are many of you will enjoy them. Anyway, sharing this app with other people is a really nice way for you to get paid in Bitcoin. mainly because you will earn points whenever the people you referred to this app install it or complete any of the tasks at hand. As you can see here, if someone you referred completes a survey, you earn points. If someone downloads an app, you earn points, and so on. In this way, you can actually earn some Bitcoin in passive income, which is a really cool way to earn money with this app. As far as payment goes, though, you can see below that they offer a bunch of different options for you. They offer gift cards for starters, from Amazon to Xbox and so on, but apart from that, they can pay you in PayPal, and most importantly for us, in Bitcoin. If some of you watching this would rather get paid in cash, then this is indeed the app you'll want to check out. They offer a variety of options for you to choose from, and as I said before, this app will work on all devices. The last app I have for you before we get to the bonus near the end of the video is this one here called StormX, and I'm now over at their official website, stormx.io. This app, unlike the first two, will pay you for every purchase you make, so you will receive cash back on your purchases instead of getting Bitcoin for completing surveys, for example. This app, as you can see here though, will work on both iOS and Android, so unlike the first one, it does work for all phone devices. A really good feature, most definitely. By scrolling down just a bit, you'll be able to see these huge companies showcased on the homepage here, that this is a legitimate app and that it actually works, unlike many other apps you might have come across. As far as the reviews are concerned, you can see on the Google Play Store that we have a rating of 4 stars with nearly 85,000 reviews, whilst on the Apple Store it has a rating of 4.6 stars with over 1,000 reviews. So as you can see guys, this is a legit app most definitely and will indeed reward you with cash back. With all of that said guys, I won't go too much into depth with this app since there's not that much to go over. Instead, I want to show you a bonus I have for you in this tutorial that I mentioned way back in the beginning. That bonus is not an app, but actually a browser. It's called CryptoTab. I'm now over at their official website, cryptotab.site. This browser, unlike Google Chrome that I'm using right now, will actually pay you through crypto, as its name suggests, for just browsing the web. You can go about your daily activities online with this browser, and you'll be rewarded for that. The truly awesome part here is that browsing the web is something that you do daily. It's not something you do sometimes, you do it every single day. And so by using this browser here, you can get paid some decent amounts of Bitcoin online without doing any work at all. You are basically getting paid for doing something that you do regularly and that shouldn't reward you in the first place, which in my opinion is a truly awesome feature of CryptoTab. To get paid in Bitcoin, all you need to do is come over to the homepage here, download this by clicking on the download button here, and then install it on your computer or laptop to start earning some Bitcoin. And if that wasn't enough, you can see on Google Play that this will actually work for your phone as well. So not just computer or laptop per se, and it also has awesome reviews as you can see. This makes this app or browser, shall I say, my favorite of them all guys, and I highly recommend you give it a try as well. For those of you looking for more ways to make money online, ones that perhaps don't involve cryptocurrency, then you want to make sure you check out the videos that will pop up any minute now. And with that said, if you liked this video of mine and you want to see more, support my channel by smashing that like button down below. And if you haven't already, do yourselves a favor and subscribe with notifications on, and you'll get notified whenever a new video pops up. As always, thank you all for watching and see you soon in some of the upcoming videos.